Welcome to Blue Baron Truck Mounts here in Lecanto, Florida. We're a 19-year builder. We build the Blue Baron truck-mounted tile and carpet cleaning machine. And it has pressure washing capabilities. It uses a Kohler engine, all open concept, easy to work on. None of those louvered covered nightmare partitions and walls that you have and covers that you have to take off. There's no overheating, easy breathe. We use robust hose systems, Parflex, which has a hard coating to it, very chemical resistive. We got just all high pressured hoses and everything that we use. And it's just a robust machine, very well built. We got our inline filter box, keeps it safe and easy right out where you can get at it to get things that you suck up that you don't have to go and into your tank. You know, say a customer lost some jewelry and accidentally sucked it up into, you'll be able to catch it before it goes into the tank. So it's just easy maintenance. Professional look, nice looking, real streamlined. Air Force Wings decal, look at that, right on black. It's just beautiful. Everything here is a full instrument panel, as you can see. The heat will get up over 220 degrees plus. It's pulling a 27 horse Kohler 747 cc, which is a 7H CH752-3100 spec. So it's got the big heavy duty 1 7/16 crankshaft, and we have the 316 stainless all header, all nicely TIG welded, belt guard, real nice organized station here for your high out, your bypass regulatory line. Just keep this cracked open a little bit. That's it. Leave it alone and you're good to go. This working pressure, again, would be over 2,000 psi. I have videos on the Truck Mount store that shows that, so you can see, you know, the results of the testing. We have an aviator throttle, get fine RPMs, real sturdy casing. Everything about this unit is sturdy. We have an hour tach meter. We got temperature gauge, pressure gauge, and vacuum gauge, water inlet, an indicator here that tells you when you're doing a thermal dump. Here's your thermostatic control. All stainless outlets between your vacuum and your heat exchanger system, which is completely separated. We do not hook the two systems together like many manufacturers like to do. As you can see, look how busy we are. We got 3 more orders coming in. Got economy 36s going out. It's just been a really busy schedule for 2025. We're real happy for everything we're doing in this industry. What do you want? 19-year builder. We're going strong. We're putting out units, and our high-pressured, 3,500 pounds pressure-rated access point heat exchanger, fully patented. I've been out there for a long time. We've helped ProChem, who has purchased from us some of our heaters, to fulfill the replacement for the 405s and the Bruins and the Legends. So we're there to help the industry save money. Look at that beautiful header. I mean, just everything is so well organized. Last step injection right here to keep the chemical out of the coils of the heating system. Just a beautiful unit. We'll do it in any color you like, working man's gray, yellow, orange, whatever it is that is tailored for your company theme color. Nice acoustics. I mean, this is a heavy duty acoustics dampening system that will give you the ability to go to sensitive areas where you have to have low noise. All belt driven, none of those dangerous couplers that will blow up. Everything is made so you can change out these belts in a short period of time, 15 to 30 minutes on a regular basis. I have a guy that just got 6,000 hours on his unit. After the first 6 or 7 years, he finally changed out the belts. These belts last a long time. They're B-series belts, cog belts, run cool, great transmission. Get the Lyman tools here, so it's easy to line up the belts with the pullback. An alignment tool for the bracket that adjusts the angular adjustment of your belt. So you'll be happy with this unit. We use Kohler engines on these compact 45s and some of the SE series, all the way up to the 47XL, which is a 37 horse Kohler that we use. Check us out at truckmountstore.com 24/7. Call us today at 727-505-2989. Thank you.